What are you doing? Lauren! What are you doing? Emily, don't touch her. You might lose a finger. Here's a song about fighting, Lauren. Japanese.
What is wrong with you?
I don't want you to take a picture.
Why can't I take a picture?
There.
I've been taking a picture for 5 minutes. You just noticed now? Are you done?
No.
Okay.